Now it's time to start developing your coordination between both hands. When you can do this exercise with all the major and minor chords, then it's time to move on to the intermediate exercises. Okay, here's today's lesson. The benefits of these chord and scale exercises are enormous. Finger strength, finger dexterity, and increased chord knowledge are the top 3 benefits. And chords and broken chords can enhance any song. And because each of these exercises is focused to one small area of the keyboard, your note reading skills will develop at a much faster pace. My name is Andrew, and thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for more great chord exercises for the piano.